Good morning, friends. Today we will talk on levels of prevention. As you know, prevention is better than cure. So, how to do prevention? For this, we will first see what is prevention. Prevention, the ultimate goal of medicine is to preserve the health, promote health, and restore health. And where all these terms include is called as prevention. As seen in aphorism 4, homeopathic physician is likewise the preserver of health. So, what is needed for successful prevention? First, it requires knowledge of disease, knowledge of agent, characteristics of agent, mode of transmission, measures available for treatment and correction, and healthcare system. And there are basically four levels of prevention as you are being seen in the slide. First, that is primordial prevention. Second, primary prevention. Third, tertiary prevention. And fourth, secondary prevention. And fourth is tertiary prevention. So, first we will see about primordial prevention. This is the earliest type of prevention which is useful for prevention of chronic diseases. It is prevention of risk factors, that is prevention of emergence or development of risk factors. मतलब क्या, बीमारी होने से पहले, बहुत पहले ही उसका कॉज या रिस्क फैक्टर को अपने लाइफ में आने से ही रोकना ताकि बीमारी ही ना हो. सो टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, obesity is a risk factor or cause for many chronic diseases like diabetes or IHD. So follow such a lifestyle and develop such an habits that obesity will not develop, like proper eating habits, physical activity, avoid fatty food, etc. since the childhood. So this will prevent development of obesity and which ultimately prevent the many chronic diseases depending on obesity. That means discouraging the harmful lifestyles and promoting healthy lifestyle. Next is primary prevention. Previously, primary prevention was the first level of prevention. Ideally, primary prevention is the first level of prevention and it is defined as action taken prior to the onset of the disease so that chances of development of a disease is nullified. Here, preventive measures are taken in the pre-pathogenesis phase of a disease, that is, where agent, host, and environment is present. Two types of measures are required in the primary prevention. One is health promotion and other is specific protection from specific diseases like immunization. Homeopathically saying, use of genus epidemicus, immune booster drugs for prevention of diseases. Next, secondary prevention. Here it is not ideal prevention as disease is already started and patient is suffering from complaints. But at this level also we can do prevention, that is called as secondary prevention, and it is defined as halting the progress of a disease at its incipient stage so that disease will not progress further and will be helpful in preventing the complications. In this, we need to do an early diagnosis and adequate treatment. Example, use of Baptisia in the first or incipient stage of typhoid like fever. Next is tertiary prevention. When patients came in advanced or late stage of a disease, there also we are able to do prevention. It is nothing but intervention done in the late pathogenesis of a disease where we can reduce impairments, minimize the disabilities and their sufferings. Example, in cases of cancer third stage with an unbearable pain and suffering, it is our job to use palliative homeopathic medicines to reduce pain and sufferings, like for CA liver, medicines like phosphorus, arsenic, cholestyrinum, manganum aceticum can be used. So these are all about levels of prevention, and it is a very common question which is asked in examination, theory examination as well as for the viva. Thank you very much.